Figure 02, Robot. The future of laundry automation with AI. Imagine a world where laundry, one of life's most tedious chores, is handled by a robot. It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? But here's where it gets controversial. This isn't just a futuristic dream anymore. It's a reality that's knocking on our door. Introducing Figure AI's Figure 02, a humanoid robot that's changing the game. Powered by the company's proprietary Helix AI model, this 5-foot 6-inch robot is a marvel of engineering, capable of performing household tasks with a dexterity that rivals human performance. The robot's autonomous operation, showcased in a recent video, features it effortlessly transferring laundry to a washing machine, leaving viewers in awe. But how does it do it? Figure 02 is equipped with 6 RGB cameras and a sophisticated vision language action model that allows it to process visual data and natural language commands with ease. This technology enables the robot to execute complex multi-step tasks in dynamic environments with remarkable precision. With a 3 times increase in computing power over its predecessor, Figure 01, and a 16 degree of freedom hand capable of carrying up to 25 kilograms, Figure 02 is designed for real-world applications. But the potential doesn't stop at home. Figure AI's focus on general-purpose humanoid robots extends to commercial settings, such as BMW's South Carolina plant, where Figure 02 has achieved a 400% speed increase and a 7-fold success rate improvement in tasks like sheet metal insertion. The company, currently valued at $2.6 billion after raising $675 million from investors like NVIDIA and Intel, aims to address labor shortages while planning alpha testing in homes by late 2025. As we stand on the brink of a new era in robotics, the question arises: how will AI-powered robots like Figure 02 redefine convenience and efficiency in our daily lives? And this is the part most people miss: the potential for these robots to fundamentally change the way we live and work. So what do you think? Are you ready to welcome a robot into your home, or does the idea make you pause? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. Brainy US humanoid robot shocks internet. Laundry automation masterclass. Imagine a humanoid robot so advanced it can handle household chores like doing laundry, and it's already surprising people online with its skill. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this just a cool tech demo, or a sign that robots are genuinely ready to take on everyday tasks in our homes? Brett Adcock, CEO of Figure AI, has recently unveiled his company's most impressive creation yet: the Figure 02 humanoid robot. In a video shared on social media platform X, the robot was seen efficiently taking clothes from a laundry basket and loading them into a washing machine. While it doesn't yet manage the entire washing cycle independently, this partial automation represents a significant leap forward in home robotics. What powers Figure 02's abilities? The secret lies in a groundbreaking AI system called Helix. Introduced earlier this year, Helix is a versatile model that combines vision, language comprehension, and action execution, essentially enabling the robot to see, understand instructions, and interact with its environment. This integrated approach allows the robot to perform complex upper body tasks and even coordinate with other robots simultaneously. For example, in industrial settings, multiple robots can collaborate seamlessly, vastly increasing efficiency. Adcock also shared footage showing the robot performing laundry tasks in an office environment, highlighting that these demonstrations have been ongoing for over a month. He expressed excitement about advancing Helix to operate effectively in real household environments, hinting that trials in actual homes are planned for later this year. The online community has been quick to respond, expressing amazement and curiosity. Many admire the rapid progress, with one user commenting, "Wow, the progress over there is insane. Keep it up." Meanwhile, Others eagerly wonder if the robot could soon handle subsequent laundry-related jobs, like sorting and folding dry clothes. One fan even joked about buying the robot as soon as it's available, sharing a humorous comic alongside the video. However, Figure 2 is not alone on the stage. The race for versatile humanoid robots is heating up. Startups like 1X Technologies have developed the Neo Gamma robot, designed also for homes, with human-like object manipulation abilities. At the same time, Boston Dynamics, the industry heavyweight, offers Atlas, a robot focused on industrial applications. Figure 2 straddles both domains, currently concentrating on industrial use, but gearing up for home trials soon. In fact, Figure AI has collaborated with major industry players like BMW. Their robot recently completed trial runs at BMW's manufacturing facility in South Carolina, demonstrating its capability to take on real-world tasks. For instance, in June, Figure 2 made headlines for handling conveyor belts, lifting plastic bags, and sorting packages, tasks requiring precision and reliability. Looking ahead, Figure AI isn't resting on its laurels. They've already teased a successor, Figure 3. Although details remain sparse, early glimpses suggest enhanced features such as improved mobility, smarter AI algorithms, and the ability to manage more intricate tasks. Speculation hints that Figure 3 could be tailored for even more demanding environments, like healthcare or hazardous work zones, where accuracy and trustworthiness are paramount. This sparks a broader debate. As robots like Figure 2 and its successors become more capable, how will our daily lives change? Will these machines relieve us of mundane chores? Or are we stepping into an era where human roles are dramatically redefined? Some might welcome the convenience. Are humanoid robots ready to become household helpers? Or is the technology still too early? Could widespread adoption lead to more benefits or unforeseen challenges? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below.